Hello everyone and welcome. My name is Marcus and today, in this tutorial, I will share with you how to design this poster in Adobe Illustrator. We are going to use a 1700 by 2500 pixels in RGB mode and press Create. The first tool we will need is a type tool. Then let's click on our artboard and scale the text up and change it to something more remarkable. In my case, I will use something, literally something. Cool. Now let's change the font to a nicer one, and I'm going to use the Outward font. There will be a link for the download of this font in the video description, so don't worry. Then let's scale the text until we almost reach the side of the artboard and center it right in the middle, and right click and expand the outlines. Now go to the side toolbar, select the direct selection tool and select the top anchor points of the letters and pull them up. Then select the bottom anchor points and pull them down. And we just designed a hyper condensed font. Cool. Now let's add some colors to this typography masterpiece. Select it all, then go to our toolbar and change the fill from a solid color to a gradient. Black and white will be okay for me, but by any means feel free to use any other color. Cool. Now in our gradient settings window, let's change the angle to 90 degrees. Great. Now right click over the typography design and ungroup it. Then select the second, the fourth, the sixth and the eighth letter of your word and change the gradient to -90 degrees. And voila, we just designed this fantastic look. And we are almost there. We just need to create a background for our design. So let's go back to the toolbar and select the rectangle tool. And let's click twice over our artboard so it opens the rectangle options. Let's make it 1700 pixels by 2400, the exact resolution of our artboard. Then let's align it to the center of the artboard, change the color to black and send it to the back. And yeah, that's it, ready to export and share. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial today. Remember to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Cheers, bye bye.